everyone! Today's vlog is going to be me prepping for my graduation, and if I'm being honest, like by the time I'm uploading this I have already graduated, so yay to that, which I will be updating more in my next vlog because so many things like happened in the month of May, which is why I had to hold back on editing. But I still hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and for those who are about to graduate, I hope that you could get, you know, some sort of like inspo for your grad cap. So yeah, let's continue the vlog. Oh, these are really pretty. They have like the little pearl detail in the middle of like the flowers. Honestly, I don't know what flowers to use, but we'll see like what feels right, you know what I mean? Because it's just like trust the process. But yeah, I bought like a bunch of these like white flowers, and there's like a bunch of these. Oh shit. Should not done that. Let's bring up my silly sketch here. I was planning to put this like around the grad cap and see if it looks good. And then right here I have like these little like roses. I bought the bigger flower and also the smaller one. Let's see how small these are compared to this. Yeah, this is just a trial and run and see if it's like how it looks all coming together. Every time I look at my sketch, like it just looks silly, but you know, whatever. But there it is. So these are the studs I'm going to use for the outline of the dragon, and hopefully implement it around the grad cap. Oh yeah, and I also have glue. Hopefully these glue works. Apparently it's like super glue, so please work. This one, it comes with like 15 pieces or something, like 15 of these like glitter backgrounds. So this is the grad cap, and this is the thing I'm going to be decorating on. I mean, I could just do this and then call it a day, but you know, I want to be extra and decorate the top of it. So let's get started. It's gonna take a few days time to actually finish everything, but you know what, it's the process, and I'm starting about a month-ish early. I should have enough time to finish it. So yeah, let's get started. My printer is like low on ink, so I try to like sketch out the dragon detail, but man, it was way too hard. As you can tell, it just ain't it, you know? So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna try one more time with my printer, and guys, guess what? Oh my gosh, this is so much more helpful. This is just so much more helpful than whatever this is, you know? Like, I don't really care about like the in-depth of the ink. It's just more like I need the outline. So this is perfect. I don't know why it didn't do that the first time around. But oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I just went straight to the printer and be like, you know, I'm just gonna try one more time. So, oh, save so much time. Okay, so now it's the next day, and I'm going to be doing or putting the rhinestone on. I found an old tweezer from e.l.f. that I'm going to be using to just hold on to the rhinestone and then put it on the dragon. One rhinestone down. Let's go. More to go. So it's gonna look like this, something like that. Let's just hope for the best. I don't know, I'm low-key kind of doubting how this is going, but I mean, it's good to try, so yeah. Okay, so my camera died, but I was still working on it, and yeah, this took about, what time is it right now? Yeah, so it took about 3 hours to just glue the rhinestone on it, because at the same time I was just trying to figure out, like, was it, you know, did it look even and stuff? So I was like kind of confused of like my own like sketching. I'm just gonna continue and let's see how it looks when it's finished, because my goal is to at least finish putting the rhinestone on this today. So that's my goal. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, now it's day 3 or 4 that I am working on this, and today's goal, I think I want to finish the border of it. I'm still planning on how to like the placement of everything, and with this one I think I will put it on, because earlier when I was trying to like place everything just so I could see how it may turn out, like it looks like, yeah, the flowers is pretty, but like if I were to have like the border done, it'll look more like put together. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I just finished the border of it, and honestly I kind of like how it is. It's just so like cute. I don't know. It's kind of growing on me. Yeah, it's still drying, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. I just finished gluing the white flowers on top of the cap and on the bottom of it. I'm going to be inserting those small flowers as well onto like the corners. I'm really liking how this is turning out so far. Honestly, this is way better than I envisioned it, because remember the sketch? Yeah. Here's the before and after. I absolutely love it. It just looks more put together and just like better than what I had before. So thank you to Justin for doing my hair. Well, that is all for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also want to say thank you so much for 2.7k subscribers here on YouTube. It seriously means so much to me. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.